Hey, what's going on, everybody? Hopefully you guys are chilling. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the crew, do me a quick favor, huge favor to the channel. Both hit the like button and as well hit the subscribe button, as well as getting notified for more videos just like this. I definitely appreciate you for doing that. But today we're going to be talking about the revolutionary case from Poetic. They actually sent it for the tab A7, the 10.4 inch one. So first of all, I just want to say thank you to Poetic. I definitely appreciate you for sending this out. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. Right now I do have my turtle skin case on here, which is, it's gonna be like $14.99 or something like that. So it's a really affordable case, and you can see it's my favorite case. I've been using it. It's got this rubberized texture to it with really grippy edges to it, as well as some really precise buttons on here. So what is this? There's some really nice buttons on here. They click really well, and you know, I really do like those as well. This one is also got this really grippy feel to it. So we're gonna be checking out the new one right now. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at it and see how it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a look at it. I'm gonna unbox this right now, but I just want to show some love to Poetic real quick. I definitely appreciate them for sending this over. They didn't have to do that, but they did. So I just want to say thank you to Poetic. I definitely want to show some love to you guys as well. I want to say thank you for clicking this video. Thank you for your support. But let's go ahead and take a look at this case right here. So it does have their patented Poetic sleeve on this case. It's the case that is inside of the case, outside of the case. So you can see it has the Poetic branding. It has that dope symbol. I really like their branding on here. You also get the Poetic logo as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. Let's go ahead and cut it open and see what comes inside of here. So, you know, it's their Revolution series. So that's their one of their most popular case series, and it's always going to give you very high quality when it comes to the premium materials that they're offering, as well as a premium feel. You're gonna get solid materials, you're gonna get very good protection on here, and you're also gonna get a sturdy case to protect your asset. So I definitely like the fact that Poetic is always number one when it comes to rugged, you know, materials and things like that. They also do offer a kickstand on the back, so you can see it does have that kickstand on the back, so you can go ahead and prop your tablet up. I definitely like that feature about, you know, to have it on tablets. So this one doesn't have the kickstand, so if you wanted to have a kickstand case, you would probably want to go with this one because it's going to offer that. So let's go ahead and take this case off. You can see it's just extremely soft. This is crazy right here. So it's shock resistant. They're both really cool, both made by Poetic. So this one is really flexible. It gives you a different type of feel in the hand and things like that. So we're gonna try out the new one. It kind of left that turtle skin pattern on the back of here, but you could just wipe it off with your hand and then it's good to go. So I like the fact that this is semi-matte. It's not too glossy on the back of it. Plastic frame at the top right there. Let's go ahead and try this on. So it does have that film you can see right here. We're gonna have to put our thumb right here so we can separate it from the case itself, and then that is what separates it. So you can see right here. Once we get that off, we could just go ahead and lock it on the case as well. So let's go take this off, and you can see those shock resistant pattern inside of here, which is crazy. So they did provide you a shock resistant pattern inside of here. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and remove this inner layer right here from the case. So we're just gonna go ahead and peel this off. I'm gonna put that off to the side. Let's go ahead and put the tablet inside of here. So I'm gonna just wipe it down with my shirt, and how can you tell the top from the bottom? So let me just pop this on the top, and oh yeah, so that's how you could tell this is where the port would go for the charger. So you would just put it this way, and then yeah, that's easily gonna lock onto the top. So you can see right here, we do have that on the top. So all we have to do now is go ahead and put this portion right over the top as well. So it has that reinforced rubberized edges. You're just gonna go ahead and work your way around the case. So first get one corner inside of there, and then try to get another corner in as well. So then you just work your way all the way around it, and that's gonna offer extremely good protection for this tablet. As you can see right here, this is gonna be the go-to case for when you're using it outdoors or in a factory, maybe you're at work. So now we could just take off this layer. And that looks really good. It really does look good. So now you can just finish. Oh, the facial recognition worked. Does it stand vertical? It's not stand up vertical, but it does stand up this way as well as this way. So you get a lower viewing angle here. And you can see right here, we do have some really cool viewing angles on here. And now that kickstand is there, you can see it just feels really good to scroll with that kickstand. So now I don't have to prop it up or anything like that. So you can see we do have this really nice Poetic Revolution case. There's a hair trapped under here, which is kind of getting on my nerves, but that's okay. And then you can kind of see right here, let's just type in something on the keyword. So you can see right here, we're gonna just, browse. You can see right here, the buttons feel really nice. Oh wow, that's crazy. Trey Young. Yeah, but I'm really liking this Poetic Revolution series. You're also gonna get that tempered glass on the front. It doesn't obscure the view. The view angles are really good as well. Let me test the buttons out as well. Kickstand locks in the back really easy, and it has a really nice texture to the back of it. So I really like that about it. It's got really solid grip in the hand now, so you could actually just grab this with one hand really easy. Viewing angles are good, and the touch responsiveness doesn't get interfered by the screen protector at all in any way possible. So I definitely got to say this is a really good protective case. It's really sturdy. You get camera protection. You get all your vents as well. You get this vent right here, which looks kind of cool. It's got this nice, you could feel the indentation right here, and then it has like this, I could feel like a secondary material which kind of feels a little bit softer than the one on the outside. So I like how the mixture between materials and the patterns on here, as well as the attention to the detail. You also do get that similar texture right here on the logo where it says Poetic. So I think that's pretty cool. And then the sides do have like these rubberized grips. That secondary material you could feel on the grips. It's more of a, then the buttons feel really good. They have a nice click to them. They're very quiet buttons. They're not going to be too loud, but they do have this very responsive click to it, and it does feel really good as well. So I'm feeling this case. I really like it. I definitely think it's going to protect your Poetic from drops, scratches, dust, dirt, maybe not water or anything like that, but it's definitely going to protect it 100%, as well as like heavy duty things. Anything heavy duty it's going to protect it from. So I just want to throw that out there, but I definitely like using this case so far. So I'm gonna get right back with you. I'm also gonna show up in the comment section. I'm also gonna show some love to Poetic, right? Do me a favor, show some love to Poetic right now by hitting the like button and also hitting the subscribe button and the bell as well, so you can get notified for more videos just like this. But I'm gonna get right back with you. I'm gonna show up in the comment section as well, and I'll check you guys later. But in the meantime, I'll see you guys in a hot minute. Peace later.